I just had the craziest dream that my husband said he would stop snoring, and he actually did. That would be the best of both worlds, just like my Dreamcloud hybrid mattress. Dreamcloud's unique individually wrapped coils provide the support I need, along with the cozy comfort of a plush memory foam top. And with their 365-night trial and lifetime warranty, you can feel confident you're making the best choice for a mattress.
Get $599 in savings and accessories when you shop online or in store today.